Okay, question number 10. In this problem, we're going to be looking at how to add decimals. Okay, this is an extension that is very similar to the skill that was assessed in question number 8 on how to add integers, multi-digit integers. Remember, we added a 4-digit integer with a 3-digit integer. Well, now we're dealing with decimals, but the same principle applies. Okay, do you remember what the guideline was? Something that you wanted to keep in mind? Well, let's go over it again. So it's similar to the other problem that we did. So the tip is as follows. When adding, subtracting, even multiplying, or multiplying decimals, guess what? Alignment is very important. Okay, you want to align all the decimal points vertically first. And then when adding or subtracting, you can insert the placeholder 0. Insert the placeholder 0 where applicable. Okay? Alright, so let's see how we can apply this tip to this particular problem. So we have 3 decimals that we're adding together. Alright? So we have 4.72. So this is the ones place, this is the tenth and hundredth. 0.09, the 9 is in the thousandths place, so you have to put 0.009. Now since we have a digit in the thousandths place, for the second number, guess what? We'll put a 0 right here. That's the placeholder. That's what we're talking about here. Okay? And then the next one is 0.135. So when you align the decimal points vertically, it's easy for you to carry out your addition, subtraction, and multiplication with a high degree of accuracy. Okay? All right, let's go ahead and add it. 0.9 plus 5 is 14. 4 carry 1. 1, 2, 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 7 plus 1 is 8. 4 plus 0 plus 0 is 4. Answer to question number 10 is 4.864, option letter A. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's now your turn. It's your time to do some work. Okay, now we have 5 practice problems that we'd like you to try out, problems 6 to 10. So what we'd like you to do at this time, go ahead and pause this video presentation and then try out these 5 problems. When you're done, click on the play button and we will reveal to you what the correct answers are. Welcome back. So hopefully you had a chance to try out the problems. The answers are as follows. To number 6, the answer is 10 over 3. That's the greatest. It's 3.3 repeating. It's bigger than everything else. For question number 7, the answer is $22.50, option C. For number 8, the answer is 3,155, option D. And for number 9, the answer is 7. Okay, you get 7 remainder 2, but you truncate that 2 out of this mix since you cannot make a cake with that fractional amount of flour. Okay, and then number 10, the answer for number 10 is 5.961, option letter C. So how well did you do in these 5 practice problems? Well, let us know in the comment section below how well you did. And if you have any questions on any of these problems or any concept on the Accuplacer test in general, just put it in the comment section below and we'll be more than glad to assist you. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch this presentation. I really appreciate it. If you found the contents of this tutorial helpful in your preparation for the test, to give us a like. Your positive feedback is very valuable to us. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel. We upload videos, math tutorials to our page on a regular basis. So subscribe and stay in the loop. If you have any questions or comments as indicated earlier, just place it in the comment section below. We have a cool interactive practice test at our website, mathgotserved.com. Do check it out. And also take a look at the link in the description below for access to tons of math resources. Thanks again for watching and have a wonderful day. Goodbye.